Okay, I don't know how to do this, but we're gonna figure it out. As you can see, things look a little bit different over here. As you can tell from the handle is a little bit different, and I'm feeling really good about myself, so I'm gonna have some water. Okay, so we decided to let Brandimi Eats go for a number of reasons. For one, Emi went back to work, so he's not going to be as available as, per se, I am. Might as well do something with it, right? I'm going to try to do more vlog style videos or whatever. I might eat. It depends. I just really want to show everybody what I do on a day-to-day basis as a 37-year-old gay man with 2 dogs. You know, people need to see this shit. And contrary to popular belief, there is always something to do. Always. Okay, that was a lot to try to get out. I'm trying to get more comfortable talking to the camera. And of course, Emi will still be a part of the channel. Yeah, so I guess you can expect like me cooking. You'll see Puggy Sue and Domo. They crazy. Oh, and lots of hair videos, because as you can see, I'm locked up now. So, oh my God, this is truly a journey. As a matter of fact, this is it feels more personal when you hold the camera. Just, oh, fuck. Oh, look at our tree. It's black. Why I gotta be black? Say hi, baby. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. By the way, London is staying the night, so. Well, she stayed the weekend while her parents were in Los Angeles. Mean and ornery. Ooh, I need to find my light. So I'm gonna put y'all down until I start dinner. We're gonna have, I'm gonna make chicken meatballs from scratch with some macaroni. It's gonna be like I say this very loosely, Italian style chicken meatball soup with macaroni and shit. And I'm gonna make some bread too. So, okay. I need to grow up. And by always I'm gonna do, this is what I mean. Took out the Christmas stuff from last year because we thought we was just gonna have this Christmas room, but now we about to have, well, I guess he went crazy. Nothing. Oh shit, I'm tired. What are those little ball things?
Baby swim, baby harder. Set off my whole body, whole body. Baby harder.
Oh, I love this song. You know what? Oh yeah, to keep it all the way real. You know, I let my hair breathe for a little while if I'm not going anywhere, but I'm not going anywhere. I wear this. Protect your shit. Is this more palatable for you? Missing progress. Because you ain't that cute. Your hair is uneven. You look dusty. Okay, so. Ding, 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 ding. Nice. I like it. It's cute. Off of Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below. Here she go. And it's not. I don't know what this is, but it's nice. $60, I think. It's giving she ain't rich, but she alright, bitch. What time is it? I gotta thaw this chicken out. 3:12. Yeah, means I need to defrost the chicken out and then at least start doing something in this kitchen. Okay, I'll be back. Wait a minute, hold on.
Wait a minute, hold on.
I'm the defrost king, by the way. I can defrost some shit in 30 minutes. Miss Herkenroder.
Miss Herkenroder.
Hello. Is this thing blinking? Because baby, let me tell you something. I had filmed hours and hours of footage. This was like a couple of months ago when I was going to give this thing a go. But I had filmed so much footage. Tell me why the whole time this fluorescent light up here was blinking like this the whole time in all the footage. I had made a pie. I had made chicken and dumplings. I had made all kinds of good stuff. Went to a waste. And if it's not something that I would watch myself, then I'm not putting it out there. So. Okay, let's have a transparent moment. I'm not going to touch anything, but this is usually how my cabinet looks. Who the fuck is that?
Who is it? Brandimi.
Hi. Hi, baby. How you doing?
How are you?
You're vlogging?
Mm-hmm. Say hello. Do you want to be on the vlog?
Yes, sure.
What's your name and where are you from?
Oh, you're filming right now?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Girl,
I'm-
Brandimi.
I have to use the bathroom.
She's whining. Hey, baby. I'm up back here.
I'll see y'all later. Look at her.
You think you're up? Huh? Oh, wake up, baby.
United,
we're
understood. That's not the way.
What's this, you little baby? Oh, you miss daddy?
No, that's... Love you, dudes. And let me start this shit. Okay, let's make this bread. I didn't show everything that I put inside of it, so I'll link the recipe in the description box below. Enjoy. What the is this? Well, Kevin, you gotta multitask this. If you don't, where the hell can you go? If you can't go to Bella Noches, where the hell can you go? Let me close this one. Now it's real frothy. I'm gonna go ahead and just Okay. Let me through here. Alright. We're about to go. So, see ya. I like to look out. I'm about to go to the bar. Nine.
Name 'em.
I
Name 'em.
don't know if you're okay, actually.
Name 'em.
Are you okay?
Name 'em.
If you made it this far, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Or if you don't want the full commitment of subscribing, you can go ahead and add me to your watch later. So until next time, I will see you later, dude. Bye.